take you back to where the roar of engines meets the raw grit of American motorsports. Not in a mega stadium, not under lights that cost millions, but in your local arena, where the walls echo with thunder and the trucks are so close you can feel the ground tremble beneath your feet. Welcome to Thunder Nationals, one of the most intense, authentic, and personal monster truck experiences in the USA. Now, I know many of you are racers. Maybe you're into drag strips, dirt ovals, or high-speed track circuits. You live for speed, control, and competition, and I respect that, because I do too. But if you've never been to a Thunder Nationals event, let me just say, you're missing a whole other side of motorsports that's just as technical, just as competitive, and maybe even more extreme. Thunder Nationals isn't just Monster Jam light, it's a different vibe entirely. These events were born out of a vision to bring top-tier monster truck action to towns and cities across the country, places that don't have 80,000-seat stadiums or retractable domes. And yet the energy? Off the charts. Let me paint the picture. You walk into a packed indoor arena. The air smells like methanol and dirt. The lights dim, music hits, and then you hear it. The thunder. A monster truck revs up backstage and suddenly a 12,000-pound beast explodes into the arena, tires screeching, engine roaring. It launches off a dirt ramp, crushes a row of cars, and spins into a donut that fills the place with tire smoke. The fans? Going absolutely ballistic, and you're sitting just 30 feet from all of it. That's Thunder Nationals. What I love most is the proximity. You're not watching from the upper deck. You're down low, eye level with trucks that are doing slap wheelies, sky jumps, and freestyle stunts, all within the tight confines of a hockey-sized arena. Every move feels bigger, more intense, and way more personal. And here's the best part. Thunder Nationals celebrates the underdogs. Sure, some of the big names roll through, but a lot of the drivers in these shows are independents. They don't have the biggest sponsors or million-dollar budgets. What they have is passion. Many of them built their trucks in home garages, poured their life savings into parts, and hauled them across the country with their own crew, sometimes just family and friends. These drivers are craftsmen, mechanics, storytellers, entertainers, and when they hit the throttle, they put it all on the line. Let's talk about the trucks themselves. Just because it's a smaller arena doesn't mean they're holding back. These machines are every bit as powerful as the stadium trucks. Supercharged V8 engines, methanol fuel, 66-inch tires, long travel suspension systems that can take a 2-story drop. Inside that cage, a driver strapped in with a 5-point harness, reading the dirt like a track racer reads the line. You've got freestyle events where trucks spin, jump, and fly like they've got no weight at all. You've got racing rounds that are tight and unforgiving, where one missed turn or awkward landing can cost you the win. And then you've got the fans. They're the loudest, most passionate crowd you'll ever see, because they're right there. They can feel it, and they live for it. Now, I want to give some respect to how Thunder Nationals helped grow the sport. Back in the early 2000s, this tour hit cities and towns that had never seen a monster truck live. It introduced kids and adults alike to the insane possibilities of what a truck could do. Not just crush cars, but jump them, flip them, and dance on top of them with shocking precision. You know who came out of those events? Future drivers, mechanics, fans for life. Whole generations of gearheads who fell in love with motorsports because they saw Thunder Nationals up close. And I'd argue this. For racers like us, guys who care about performance, control, and machinery, Thunder Nationals offers something rare. It strips away the big showbiz and puts the spotlight right on the driving. The skills needed to control 12,000 pounds in an arena the size of a football field. Incredible. The throttle modulation, the jump timing, the recovery after landing on one tire. It's not chaos, it's controlled mayhem, and that's what makes it brilliant. And you know what else makes it special? The connection. After the show, drivers don't vanish behind a fence. They're right there, signing autographs, answering questions, letting fans sit in the truck. It's grassroots. It's genuine. It's real motorsports culture. You might not see Thunder Nationals broadcast on primetime cable. You might not see million-dollar pyrotechnics. But what you will see is passion, raw energy, family-built machines going all out, drivers risking it for the roar of the crowd, and fans walking out saying, "I've never seen anything like that in my life." So if you love horsepower, if you love vehicles that break the rules, if you love racing and want to experience something wild and close to the ground, check out Thunder Nationals. It might not have Formula One's elegance or NASCAR's scale, but I guarantee you this. It will blow your mind in a whole different way. If this fired you up, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more motorsports madness, deep dives into American racing culture, and features on the most insane machines on 4 wheels. And drop a comment below. Have you ever been to a Thunder Nationals event? What was your favorite truck or wildest moment? Let's keep the conversation going, because this is the kind of motorsport that lives through its fans. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.